Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. I think Mr. Sun is coming again today. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited because my shoes will get dry already. I washed my shoes yesterday and the sun was shining so brightly. It's almost gone. It's almost dry. Good morning, good morning.
Okay.
Bombitas?
The filler is up front.
Where? Oh yes, guys. Do you know that my husband's favorite is bombitas? Bombitas! Before I didn't like bombitas, but now I love it already. Guys, today is Sunday. I was just sitting there, you know, reminiscing the past. And I need to clean our messy house because we will have visitors today. My Filipino friends will come.
Look, the picture we wasted yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh.
My Filipino friends are coming, guys. To the market we go. Sige, guys, let's go to the market. Because they have a very delicious juice there. I'm gonna take you there, okay? Let's prepare. Go. I wasn't able to finish cleaning. And we will have a visitor later. Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. Ay! Oh no. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Sorry.
Mommy, tomorrow let's watch it again.
Yeah, let's hope that Mr. Sun will come out today so we can wash it today.
Meow, 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 meow.
Look, a lot of militaries there in front of me. Many police everywhere.
We are walking to the market. We are here.
We love eating here.
Inside.
We love eating here because it's very affordable.
Yeah.
Very affordable. It's clean and the food is delicious. Yummy-licious. Let's avoid the traffic.
Mommy,
We'll go to the kuan.
do the what?
Juice Churbanas. No, gracias. Daddy, follow me. Follow me, buenos días. Follow me. One, Papariana.
Ocho.
He didn't give me kutsara. Hola, ¿me podría dar cucharita, por favor? O tenedor, o algo. Dos, porfa. Gracias.
¿Tenedor o cuchara?
Ah, kutsara, mejor. Have juice.
Hay un montón de policías.
Why a giant?
A giant juice.
Why?
Good for the three of us.
Huh?
Because we will share. Share.
Tipo, no es que todavía.
I wanna drink.
Ella para no sacar un
Wow. I wanna.
Pasa.
Yeah, let's try. Yay, I'm so excited. It's been a long
No, this one is yours. You put it there.
So good. Sortido. This is sortido. Sortido is basically a mixture of different fruits. Many fruits. Apple, strawberry, pineapple, papaya, banana,
They put tuna also.
tuna. Basta a lot.
Tuna, but the tuna the fruit, no tuna the fish.
Many different fruits. And then we have papariana. Very big. This
Which is mine? And the one
the
I-
juice is
This
how
one.
much? 11 soles. And this is 9 soles.
And the one that's on the middle is mine.
Papariana. So big. Uy, look at the rabbit. Why?
Now we finish getting on that tissue with my coffee.
Very big the papariana. 9 soles.
I'm very fried.
And you know what? What do you call this, my love? So, criolla?
Salsa criolla.
Salsa criolla, guys. It's really nice. It's really good. I really love it. It's basically just onion, chopped onion, and then they put lemon and what's the green? Cilantro? Cilantro. So good.
Some kinds of yes.
It's so delicious. I really love this one. Good. What time will that come?
Then go again. Mom, we got to mix thing na. Ito po yung 4K, right? Okay. You know what?
It's called paparellena because inside there's something. Egg, olive, and this is beef, right?
Ground beef.
Ground beef. Hey, Jesus.
Ang huevo.
We're done. Let's go. Dara found a friend already. My love, can you help me? Por favor. B, the rabbit is there, B. Oh, look, yung rabbit.
Where?
There. They're up there. There, oh. May rabbit na. There. Cute sa mga kabataan. Oh, very cute. Cutesy babies. Cutesy girls. Sige na, B, let's go na. Say bye-bye to your friend.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao, friend. Vamos a comprar algunos cosas para cocinar. Because the Filipinas want to cook something.
Also, the half Filipino girl. Like, here walking.
Who's the
and talking.
who's the half Filipina girl?
Me.
Oh. I saw here some stuffs from ano na sila ang palaya oh. Ang palaya. Oh. Alat lagi.
Hola. ¿Está buscando?
Yeah. Buenos
Tofu,
días.
Kamaboko,
¿Cuánto está?
camina. 4 soles, mamita.
Yes po. Yeah, me gusta chiquito. 2 soles raw per kilo. ¿Cuánto está?
¿Ah?
¿Cuánto está? Ang mga Filipinas. The Filipinas are here. They're already cooking.
Cooking something good.
What are you cooking?
Of course, binisaya o pinupring.
Oh, ginataan. Ginataan, nabutangan o bulad.
Uy, ang bulan. Nakalimutan.
And then, adobo.
Binugan talaga na.
Nala mo yung blender, dam?
Ano yung blender dam? Tumalit kami.
Okay.
Chicken, it's on.
Eating time. Mik ayo. We have maracuya juice. So delish.
Dara, you want also chicken?
Kumba. Ay, adobo. And ginataan.
Gundra.
Mommy.
Dili mo, bangon na siya.
Mommy, I finished my...
Bangun ka ba? Ako nag-extend isa. Ano gusto ko dito? Na pwede magluluto din. Makalimutan mo kasi lang isa kong feeling. Ano ba? Kaya malingapon ka ba? Parehami. Let you play again. You know, nobody can
Get.
phone.
Yummy. Makapulot overload.
Tuloy mo. Kuwangan siya. Kailangan siya.
I'm working hard.
Mommy, okay. Mommy, okay.
Okay. Ang mas ibalo ni mo nga ako.
Katong yato na naman ito. Sa Makapu-market.
Uy, magkuanta. Ay, palagining gamay ni si Kuan. Uy, ay gamay si Madam Gamin. Maglima ta ba? Ay, paano siya spread rin siya.
Go. Yeah, we're near actually. 10 minutes more. Almost there. Taking our friends home because they live near Mall del Sur. We are in the Mall del Sur. Nasunod yun siya. Hey, there's a circus here of Chilindrina.
I went to her circus when I was a kid.
Will be on the left.
At home. Dito na kami. It's so nget-nget. It's so manget-nget. Biyako. Look guys, we are in San Juan de Miraflores.
The windows are closed, right?
Yep.
San Juan.
San Juan de Miraflores gani. We're home. We're sleeping guys. The kids are sleeping already. It's already 11 something. Let's check outside. How's the situation? Already put this and that. Okay. It's very calm. Very calm. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much for today. Thank you so much for accompanying us today. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe and healthy. I will sleep now. Ciao, ciao.